Once you've created the room plan, the second step is to assemble the room. The way it works, it's like building a puzzle. First of all, I can move around the different rooms with my finger, and I can rotate them around. When I do so, you see green visuals. For example, here you see the green dotted line. Those visuals help you understand how you assemble the rooms together. For example, the green dotted line is telling you that you're aligning the walls. This green blob here is telling you that you're stitching the walls together. So if I release the room, the two walls are glued together. There is a last one. The green blob you see on my screen, this one is to make you understand that you are assembling the two corners together. So if I release the room, the two corners are stitched together. So to assemble my room, I just move it around with my finger and I pay attention to the green visuals. This is not what I want. Okay, this is not what I want. This is what I want, the three corners together. So now I just release the room and the three corners are stitched together.